Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by emptying the reservoir and removing any K-cup and the drip tray so the machine can cycle freely. Next, pour the descaling solution, either the Keurig kit mix or a 50% white vinegar blend into the reservoir. This removes mineral scale buildup that blocks flow. Once done, power the brewer and select the largest brew size so the solution reaches deeper internal passages. Make sure to run a few short priming brews to push solution into the heating plate and internal valves. You continue by running full brew cycles without a K-cup. Each cycle drains solution through the internal lines and heating element. If your machine had heavy scale, pause and let the solution sit for 20 to 30 minutes to loosen deposits, then finish the cycles. After the solution is gone, rinse the reservoir thoroughly and refill with plain water to run at least 3 to 6 rinse cycles. This flushes residual descaler and prevents taste or odor. Make sure water runs clear and smell-free before reusing. You finish by washing the removable parts, drip tray, K-cup holder, and reservoir, with warm soapy water and reassemble everything so seals and sensors sit correctly. Then run 1 or 2 test brews with plain water to confirm normal flow rate and proper brewing temperature. This verifies the heating element and valves are clear. If you still see low flow or inconsistent temperatures, power off, unplug, and inspect the entrance and exit needles for debris. If clogged, carefully clear them or repeat the descaling process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.